Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to my channel. Friends, I received this message. I want to know where you get I reference 8 milliampere. This is a comment on this video for adjustable Zener reference regulator. So let's discuss. If you want to design a regulator, you have to consult the datasheet. You have to read the part number very carefully. What is the prefix and what is the suffix? If it is TL431 or KA431, KA431 and some digit here, some letter here, we have to consult that one, and then we have to go to the datasheet. TL431, G, A, F5, B, R, every digit have a specific definition. We have to understand these numbers very carefully. Check this absolute maximum ratings. In my last video number 229, I mentioned that we have to select I reference current. It is minus 0.05 milliampere up to positive 10 milliampere. That is the maximum rating. This one is maximum allowed limit. We can design any regulator within this limit. In test condition, we will use 1.5 to 4 microampere. Cathode current in some regulators up to 100 milliampere, and in some regulators it will reach up to 150 milliampere. In this model, TL431 Linfinity microelectronics, and it is maximum 150 milliampere. It have a more current range for cathode current. A reference input current 2 to 4 microampere in test condition at 25 degree ambient temperature, and here TL431B, that is 2.3 microampere. So we have to select the current to adjust the sensitivity of the regulator. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, give a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.